All right, man. Drive safe. Okay. Have a good night.
Shit.
Hey!
Hey.
219 shots fired. 219 shots fired. You see him still? Maldo, you see him still?
No.
219, it's right, Harwin and 14 South.
Where do you run?
You see him still?
I don't see him.
It's gonna be a black male, heavy set.
Anyone in? We're good. What's up? Just running high, bro. Running high. Go back. We call you.
Hey, you good, Maldo?
I'm good. Come over here. Hey, what's up?
Hey, slow down, you're good. Watch that left side.
I got you.
Just watch that left corner. Hey, you're good, right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, hold right there. Hey, Sal, go check the freeway. Check the freeway.
Southbound from location. The bowl is on the monitor. Suspect description.
Hey, roll HFD. We might have one hit. Hey, you guys, let me get one more unit over here back on where we were on the original T-stop. Come here, Maldo. Come here. We're gonna have to push up. I think this guy's hit over here. I know.
Hey, you unit over there. Stop right there. Stop right there.
I'm just letting you know so that way she's not getting held up over it. Because right now, you know, I'm not tripping about it. I'm not gonna write you a bunch of tickets, right? But if it's anybody else, it's fair game, right? All right, man. Drive safe. Okay. Have a good night.
Oh, shit. Hey! Hey, shots fired over here. Hey, get out. Hey, on a traffic stop, we got shots fired over here. Black male. You ran southbound on our location. No! Just go ahead! Where'd he run? No, I don't see him. Anyone hit? We're good, but we don't know if anybody got hit over there. We got multiple people over there down, but he ran. What's up? Just running high, bro. Running high. Go back. We'll call you. I'm good. I'm going over here. I'm going on your left side. I got you. Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, go right there.
He went southbound from our location. So go over there by the Whataburger. Black male, heavy set. He's wearing shorts and a t-shirt. Huh? Hold on, hey. Hey, yo, you over there, stop right there, stop right there. Where'd he go? Watch that left side, keep looking down south. Hey.
Oh my God!
I'm behind you, behind you. Watch.
Hey, heavy set black male.
Watch left.
Hey, y'all see anybody?
What?
Guy run by here? Yeah, he ran out that way. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all see a bigger black guy running through here? See that one? Yes, sir.
Hey, you don't think that's it? Yeah. You don't think that's it with the glasses? He looks a little bit out of breath. Huh?
Have y'all been out here for a minute? Chicken.
Where?
Huh? Hey! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around!
Mason, put your hands behind your back right now. Back up. Back up.
Where'd you coming from, bro? Huh? Check his backpack. And check that dumpster. Hey, the tape.
Okay.
Don't touch nothing. No one touch nothing. The bag.
Okay. And that bag is mine.
Okay.
Which is on view.
Hold on. Hey, get up here.
We just saying, me and my girl now.
Where'd you coming from? You just hanging here?
We just been hanging here. We waiting for this, really waiting for the bus. They smoking those fake kush.
So the guy that was at the drive-thru told me to leave. I don't know. You guys saw like Where'd the guy go? This way? Yeah, they just took off. Yep.
let's hook this guy up. Yeah.
White tank?
What do you say?
White tank at Whataburger. Hey, put your hands up.
Turn around!
Face away, put your hands behind your back right now. Back up. Back up. Six 5 Nights, I located the firearm.